So in today's video, we are going to go over creating and publishing your blog posts in WordPress. So when you first log in, you're going to be brought to your dashboard. Here you can navigate to your posts in the left-hand toolbar. In this, you will be able to see all of your blog posts on your site. To create a new blog post, I'm going to go to this Add Post button. It'll take you to the blog post editor. Now, to get our content in, all you have to do is copy and paste. So I will take from this other blog post that we have and just paste the content right in, and then just paste the header right in. So it's super simple as that. WordPress does a really good job of maintaining the styling of your post, but if you do need to edit anything, just click on the element. You can set its styling, so like a paragraph versus a header, bold, unbold. If you need to make anything a link, you can, or make any bullet points, anything like that, or if you just need to delete, just hit and backspace. Control Z to undo any elements. Now we are going to need to add our image to the blog post, so just come over to Post tab, set featured image. If you have an image to upload, just upload directly from your computer, or if it's already been uploaded, then select from the media library. And there it is, uploaded. Some SEO tasks to do down below, picking out your keyword from your keyword research that is relevant to your blog post. I'll just put in an example here. Then scroll down. This is how it'll show up in the URL. So typically it is the title. And then the meta description, again, it's what shows up in your Google search. You can use the AI option to help come up with ideas, or if you have the specific content that you would like to include, go ahead and type it in here, and then the preview shows you exactly what it will look like in Google, which is super helpful. It also does a good job of giving you an analysis on your SEO score and what can help improve your SEO for your blog. If you would like to publish at a later date, you can schedule your post by clicking by hovering over this publish option and selecting it, and then picking the date in which you would like to publish it, the date and the time. And then you can go ahead and now, one more thing, if it doesn't automatically do it for you, just make sure to adjust yourself as the author. And then with all of that set, you can go ahead and get the post scheduled. And that is all for creating and publishing your blog posts in WordPress.